Want to burn fat and boost your energy fast? Then don't skip this video. These are the best cardio exercises you can do at home, without any gym or fancy equipment. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Jumping jacks. Start off with the classic jumping jacks. Stand tall, jump your legs out wide while raising your arms overhead, then jump back in. This full body movement increases blood circulation, warms up the body, and sets the tone for the rest of the workout. Do it fast, breathe steady, let's move. Exercise 2. Mountain climbers. Get down into a push-up position and drive your knees towards your chest one at a time. Keep your core tight and move quickly like you're sprinting in place. Mountain climbers are great for blasting calories and building core strength. Exercise 3. Burpees. Time to push it further. Burpees. Squat down, kick your feet back into a plank, do a push-up, jump forward, and explode up. It's a full-body beast move: cardio, strength, and explosiveness in one. Exercise 4. High knees. Stand tall and quickly drive your knees up to your chest one by one. Keep a fast pace and engage your core. This mimics sprinting and torches calories in no time. Exercise 5. Jump squats. Lower down into a squat, then explode upward in a jump and land softly. Jump squats build powerful legs, improve balance, and skyrocket your heart rate. Go slow if you're new, but don't stop. Exercise 6. Bodyweight lateral lunges. Step out to the side with one leg, bend that knee while keeping the other straight. Push back to center and switch sides. Lateral lunges target your inner and outer thighs and improve balance and hip mobility. Exercise 7. Lunge with twist. Step forward into a lunge, then twist your torso toward the front leg before returning to start. This variation activates your legs, glutes, and engages your core. Exercise 8. Kettlebell swings. Don't have a kettlebell? Use any weighted object like a filled backpack or a big water bottle. Hold it with both hands, swing it between your legs, then drive your hips forward to swing it up to chest level. Kettlebell swings build explosive power and burn serious fat. Feeling the burn? That means it's working. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home workouts like this. Stay strong, stay healthy. See you in the next video.